Unlock the potential of your business with Stripe, the payment platform that makes transactions effortless. Whether you are selling products, services, or subscriptions, Stripe empowers you to accept payments from around the globe. Imagine a world where you can focus on your patient while Stripe handles the heavy lifting of payment processing. Setting up your account is quick and easy, giving you the freedom to turn your ideas into revenue. So don't wait. Let's get started and watch your business thrive. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to create a Stripe account. First of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into stripe.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Stripe is a technology company that provides a suite of payment processing tools and services for online businesses. It enables companies to accept payments over the internet, manage subscriptions, handle fraud prevention, and facilitate various financial transactions, all through a user-friendly interface and robust APIs designed for developers and businesses of all sizes. Stripe aims to simplify the complexity of online payments and help businesses grow. So first of all I have to do is just open the web browser and just click over here and sign up and just write your email address and you click over start now. Also you can click over sign in and then you will find this page. You have just to write your email address and your full name, and then we have the country and the password. Then in the left here we have Stripe and we have some things here. Get started quickly, integrate with developer-friendly APIs or choose low-code or build solutions. Here we have support any business model, e-commerce, subscription, SaaS platform, marketplaces, and more, all within a file platform. Then you have here 10 million of businesses. We have a Stripe is trusted by ambitious startups and enterprises of every size. Then you click over create account and you'll find this page. Here we have welcome. First check the email for a link to verify your email. So you click for open Gmail and you will find this. You have just to click for verify email. As you can see here we have thanks for creating a Stripe account. Verify your email so you can get up and running quickly. Then you click over verify email and then you'll find the home page here. So here we have just to follow the steps. First of all, we have tell us more about your business to get started. So you click over here and you will find this page. First step you have just to verify your business. We have first here business type. You have to choose your location and the business type to get started. You choose the business location, for example here United States and other countries here. And we have a type of business and here we have continue here. And then we have your personal details also. This information is collected to verify your identity, keep your account safe, and help meet legal and regulatory requirements. For more information, consult the privacy policy. Here we have the legal name. Enter your name exactly as is recorded with government agencies. And then you have the last name here. Also, you have your email address and we have the date of birth. And just select the information. For example, I write my, as you can see. Then we have your home address, like United States, street address, apartment, we have city, state, and you have the zip code and the phone number, and then you click over continue. And so that you will find your business details. About this one, we have here to us about your business. This information is collected to better understand and serve your business. We have your industry, business website, and product description. You have just to select this information, and then you click over continue, and you will find the public details. About this one, we have here statement description. You have just to select a statement description from the list below or enter a custom one. Then you have your business name, and we have also here shortened descriptor under business. Then you write your customer support phone number, and then you'll also customer support address like here United States, street address, apartment, city, state, and zip code, and you click over continue, and you're done with the first step. Then we have your add your bank. About these steps, we have your select an account for payouts. Earning you receive will be sent to this account. Then we have your search for your bank, and then we have add extra here. We have two steps here. automate tax collection on your sales. You select here your product category, then you click over continue, or you can just click over skip for now. Then you have claimant contributions. About this one, you have just to show customers your commitment. Here we have set your commitment, choose the one you want, then you click over continue with, or you can just click over no thanks. Then we have the last step, which is just modification, and you edit if you already did a mistake and you have to modify it like that. We have business details, public details, management and ownership, payouts details, two-step authentication, and we have commitment, text calculation, and you click over agree and submit. So this is how it works, and let's come back in the dashboard here. So after signing up for your Stripe account, the first step is to verify your email by clicking the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Then next, you have just to log into the dashboard and complete your profile by adding your business information, including your bank account details for payouts. Then configure your preferred payment methods to decide how you want to accept payments from customers. Integrate Stripe with your website or app using the provided APIs or plug-in, and test your setup in test mode to ensure everything functions properly. Finally, switch to live mode to start accepting real payments and monitor your transactions throughout the dashboard for ongoing insights. So here we have also balances here, transactions. You can just create a payment here. You choose invoice payment link, subscription manual payment. Then you have also customers. About this one, you have just add a test customer, and you'll write the name and the account email and the description, and you click over add the customer. Then we have product catalog. About this one, we have here all active archived, and then we have your correct product. You write the name, description. You can upload also the image. Then we have also here requiring, or you choose one of or requiring here, and we have also your amount, and you choose the billing period, for example monthly, daily, and also we have yearly and weekly. Then you add the product, but before you can just estimate totals based on pricing model, unique quantity, and tax. We have unique quantity here, then we have here pricing, and then we have your tax. Then you click for add product. So this is how it works with product catalog, and we have also a payments, billing, reporting, and more, and other options. You can just select the one you want and more, know more information about how it works. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.